with the resignation of one more member of the ICI, what do we expect? The ratings would further, meron pa bang ibababa ang rating ni BBM?
Well, sa tingin ko meron pang ibababa kasi yung sinabi niyang merong big fish na makukulong, naghihintay ang tao doon, lumampas na ang Pasko, wala tayong nakikita. Ang ICI, nakakalungkot, ICI now is, well, it's actually in ICU. No? It's hanging by its thread. Fajardo's resignation is really, the timing, although effective December 31, puts a damper on what the ICI is supposed to do. But under EO 94, the president can always dissolve it. I mean, he's now in a catch-22 situation, whether he dissolves it or he allows it, or as your guest earlier was saying, the Congress will act now on the proposal for an full-time body.